If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Chase bank account, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions and payments effectively. Step 1. Review your transactions. Log into your Chase Bank online account or mobile app. Navigate to the Transactions section to identify any recurring charges that you want to cancel. Step 2. Identify the subscription. Once you have reviewed your transactions, note down the subscription services that are charging you regularly. Make sure to check the frequency and amount of each charge. Step 3. Cancel the subscription. Visit the website or app of the service provider for the subscription you want to cancel. Look for account settings or subscription management options to find the cancellation process. Follow the instructions to successfully cancel the subscription. Step 4. Remove payment information. After cancelling the subscription, go back to the service provider's website and remove your payment information. This will help prevent any future charges from occurring. Step 5. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your Chase Bank account for the next few months to ensure that the recurring charges have stopped. If you notice any unauthorized charges, contact Chase customer service immediately for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Chase Bank account.